we are given f of x being equal to 4x raised to power 5 minus 5x raised to power 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 100. We are supposed to find f prime of 2, f double prime of 1, and f triple prime of 3, negative 3. So these primes we are seeing here normally denote the derivatives. So this one, f prime, has one apostrophe notation, meaning it is the first derivative of this function. This f double prime has 2, meaning that it needs the second derivative of this, meaning you differentiate and then you differentiate the second time. While for this one, it has its third derivative, meaning you need to differentiate this one 3 times. So starting with the first one, when we differentiate the equation that we have up here, we shall have f prime of x being equal to, this one gives us 20x raised to power 4 minus, this one gives us 20x cubed, this one gives us 6x squared, and then this is minus 2x, and then minus 3. This one is ignored because it's a constant. So what we have is f prime of x. That's what we have calculated here. The question wants us to get f prime of 2. That means after getting the first derivative, we substitute x with the 2 and find the value. So we shall have this being f prime of 2 is equal to 20 into 2 raised to power 4 minus 20 into 2 cubed minus plus 6 into 2 squared, and then minus 2 into 2, then plus 3. This is a constant. There's nothing to be substituted here. So when we have written it like that, the next thing is to simplify that. That gives us, this is 320 minus 160 plus 24 minus 4 plus 3, and that gives us 183. The second question wants us to get f double prime of 1. That means we first of all have to get the second derivative. And for us to get the second derivative, we simply take the derivative that we have here, which is the first derivative, differentiate it further, one more step, to give us the second derivative. So that's why I've said f double prime of x is equal to the derivative of this one here. So if you differentiate that, you'll get this giving you 80x cubed minus 60x squared plus 12x minus 2. That is f double prime of x. But looking at the question, we want f double prime of 1. So that means after getting this second derivative, we substitute x with 1 and get the value. So this will be 80 into 1 cubed minus 60 into 1 squared plus 12 into 1 minus 2. And that gives us 30. The third one wants us to get the f triple prime of negative 3. That means we need to get the third derivative first. And we can get the third derivative by differentiating the second derivative. So that's what we have here. We have to differentiate this second derivative with respect to x. When we do that, this will give us 240x squared minus 120x plus 12. That is f triple prime of x. But remember, we want f triple prime of negative 3. So we substitute x with negative 3. So that will be equal to 240 into negative 3 squared minus 120 into negative 3 plus 12. And that gives us 2,532. So that's how we work them out. Thank you.